everybody, welcome back. Today we are just doing a quick power hour. As you can tell by the title of this video, we've got a silly summer head cold going through our house, and as soon as I thought I was free and clear of it, of course it hit me, and it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. So I am just getting better, and of course the house needs to be clean and disinfected, so we're going to go ahead and do that today. So I'm going to be starting off this power hour with mixing together this vitamin C drink. This is basically like the Aldi version of the Emergency, and I usually like to take these if I'm starting to feel under the weather, or if I know I've been around some people that may not have been feeling well. And I like to take them throughout my cold too, just to help me get better sooner. And I've heard that elderberry is really good too. I would love to hear some feedback from you guys. What is something that y'all do to help boost your immune system or to help you get better quicker? Definitely leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear some new thoughts and ideas. So I started off by filling up the dishwasher with everything that I could put in there and just fill it up as much as I could. And so I'm just hand washing what's left over that I couldn't fit into the dishwasher. And for my power hour, I'm pretty much just focusing on the kitchen and the dining room area and the front part of the house. Reese's in the living room, occupied playing in there, so I'm able just to kind of focus on this front part of the house real quick.
Without a glimpse of the light.
And for cleaning products today, I'm keeping it pretty simple, just using my disinfecting wipes and my Method Anti-Bac all-purpose cleaner. And I'm just going to be focusing on anywhere where the germs could be focused, like on door handles, light switches, knobs, different things like that. Just trying to get all of these bad germs just out of our house.
We are born again. Time in your head. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart, spend less time in your head.
The dining room table has kind of become like a catch-all place over the last couple of days. So there's just a lot of stuff on there that shouldn't be. So I'm just going to tidy up and then wipe the table down and sweep and clean all the chairs really good.
We're wanting to build up walls. Lift me up in your branches. We can watch the sunrise. Just a couple of bruised up souls that believe that.
If y'all follow me over on Instagram, y'all will know that this citron scent is one of my favorites by Method for this multi-purpose cleaner. I love to use it during the summertime, especially because it just makes me think of summer. I love it.
With every star, we are born again. Open your heart, spend less time in your head.
And of course, there's always laundry that needs to be done, so I'm just going to go ahead and fold this load that was in the dryer and throw what was in the washer in the dryer so I can focus on that later on today. But here I'm going to go ahead and start wrapping things up, and I just wanted to take a minute to tell each and every one of you thank you so much for all of your love and support and for joining me on this crazy journey called life. And don't forget to stop down in the comments and say hello. I love to hear from you guys. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them as well. And I will see y'all next time. Bye.